Okay, welcome mga katantuko. So right now, we are packed. Ayan. And si Madam. Say hi. Ayan. Hi, Achi. Say hi, Achi. Ayan. And this is handsome guy. Okay. So right now, we are gonna have some family banding. Ayan. So, sa medyo foggy na lugar. At medyo malamig. Yan. No? So, wala lang. Just need a little bonding time. Kaya, guys, enjoy the weekend, the long weekend. And don't forget to take your miracle peptide. Okay guys, so touchdown ngayon and we're here right now. Isa to sa pinaka sought after, no, dito sa lugar na to. Ayan, pag tinignan nyo sa likod ko, Grumpy Joe. So haba ng pila. So while waiting, stay tuned muna. Later I'll share to you, no, yung experience namin. Kwento ko lang a bit. Ba't kami lumabas ng Manila? Because on the 28th it's our anniversary. So I decided to surprise my wife, no? And natuwa naman ako kasi na-enjoy nila, no? Okay guys, so we're in. Got a table. Ayan. Tingnan nyo, kakasama kami. Yee! Madam, tayo naman. Okay guys, so because it's our first time here, we decided, no, to order at least yung the best nila, no? The best pasta, mga best seller nila. The best pizza. Hello. So this is the spicy seafood. Tapos ito naman yung Grumpy pizza with 5 cheese. And then, syempre yung the best nila, meat na putahin nila dito, plus yeah, ang coolers namin. So guys, it pays the price, pumila, and right now as you could see, there's so much people out there. We're gonna enjoy this, no, anniversary and birthday celebration. Birthday ni Madam. Treat niya to. Enjoy! Okay guys, so the dinner is done. Everyone enjoyed. Did you enjoy?
Enjoy!
Is it yummy?
Yummy!
Kitang-kita naman, no? Busog na busog. Guys, it's raining here. Ayan, no? Talagang it's drizzling around. And I can say, the food is great. Really enjoyed. Visit them. Grumpy Joe. Highly recommended. No? Tantuko TV approved to. And the family enjoyed the night. So guys, pep night.